Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? So guys, you see lots of vegetable. Yeah, we're gonna whip up a quick homemade meal, like, you know, a quick one pot meal. All right, here I have about 6 pieces of fish fillet. I cut them and wash them, and I have some fish seasoning. So let's go and season this bad boy first, and I'm gonna put a little bit on it, and I'm gonna rub it up. Not too much now, guys. I will rub that over. And you just want to rub it over on it. All right, you don't need too much. And then I'm gonna add some black pepper. Put a little bit more. There you go. So that's some fish seasoning, and I'm gonna put just some onion powder. And that's it. That's done. Nothing else. All right, over here now, guys, I'm gonna put about a teaspoon of oil. I have here some ginger, garlic, scallion, and onion. All right, and we're just gonna saute this a little. And now, guys, I have 1 pepper. I'm gonna put that in, and I have some mixed vegetable, some bell peppers, and we're just gonna saute this a little. I have few pimento grains. I'm gonna put that in. We're gonna add some curry powder. I'm gonna put about a tablespoon, a teaspoon of turmeric. Not much. That will do. And you wanna let this come through. I'm gonna add half can of this coconut milk. And now I'm gonna add my Irish potatoes. I cut them in small pieces. I think I'm gonna add the whole can of coconut milk. My blended seasoning, I'm gonna put like 2 tablespoons. Guys, this smells like heaven. Woo! You know, when you're there Jamaican, you cook some rundown. So good. If you want to add a little bit of butter, you can go ahead, but the coconut milk is good enough. So once this comes to a boil, we have our juicy fish over here, and we're just gonna set them in. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of black pepper. And guys, I have 1 Maggi stacks and I'm gonna just crush it and sprinkle it all over. Make sure these are covered. Just sink them down a little bit. cover under the goodness. And guys, this is it. I'm not gonna add any more water. I'm just gonna turn the stove down and low, and I'm gonna let this simmer. All right guys, so this is it. I'm gonna turn the stove off. Whew. And this is my curry fish fillet. I'm gonna serve up some, just let it cool down. And over here I'm steaming a spoon of rice, and I'm gonna serve it with some. Guys, look at the goodness. Ooh, yes. I can't wait to dive down in some. All right guys, let me dish out some, guys, and then I'll come back. Look at that. Ooh, yes. All right, can you see the goodness, guys? So I have just a little bit of white rice because I'm not gonna eat too much. All right, so let's do this part here. Ooh, look at that goodness, guys. Ooh. Oh, yes, Lord, yes. Let's take another piece over here. Ooh, I'm gonna put it on top. Ooh, oh my goodness. Oh, get some of this sweetness. I'm gonna put it over it. Ooh, oh, let's get some of the goodness here, guys. Ah, yes, Lord, yes. Ooh. Yes. And that's it, guys. I'm gonna dive down in it. It's falling up. Put a piece of that on top. All right, can you see that, guys? Put that over the side. Oh, mess up my dish. Gonna taste this part. All right, which side should I put it? Let's put some of this right here. And that's what I'm serving, guys. There you have it. Oh, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of parsley on it. And guys, you don't want it any more than that. Just a quick comfort food. Jamaican style curry fillet. Yeah. Curry fish fillet or fillet fish curry, however you want to call it. And you get the goodness of the Irish vegetable. I'm gonna dive in it. All right, guys, love upon me and I love upon you, and I have a whole heap for the whole family. So good. Look at that. Just like cooking rundown. Yes, guys, Jamaican rundown. Yes. All right, guys, have a good day.